In this video, you will learn how we can verify receiving an email using the Receive Mail Simple module. You can find the module located in Standard Modules, Tbox Xengine, Mail, Receive Mail Simple. It allows you to check whether you received a specific single email. This functionality supports POP3 or IMAP protocols only. To be able to verify receiving an email, your test case will first need to have connected to the email server with the Connect to Mail Server module. Here, we have the Receive Mail module as an X-test step in a test case. So let's take a closer look at the X-test step values. First, we have connection name. Enter the name of the connection that you defined in the previous X-test step while connecting to the server. To verify receiving an email, this is crucial and can only be called if the connection has already been established. I will be using sample connection here. Next, we have from address. Here, you will specify the email address of the sender. In our case, it is tricentisdummy2@outlook.com. After that, we have from name. This is used to specify the name of the sender. In our case, Tricentis Demo Account 2. Next up, we have to. This is where you can specify a recipient. For our example, we use tricentisdummy@outlook.com. CC. Specify a copy recipient here, if any, as this is an optional value. Then we have from date time. This is where you specify the start date and time of the search period. The Mail Engine 3.0 uses UTC. Consequently, you need to enter the start time and date in UTC time. Next up, we have to date time. Specify the end date and time of the search period here. After that, we have subject. This is where you specify the subject line of your email. In our case, this is a test email. I'm using the constraint action mode here, so we can use verify in the next step. The next step is body. Here, you enter the message body. The default format of the body message in the Receive Mail Simple module is plain text. If Tosca doesn't return the expected results, you can select the HTML property to switch to HTML format. Use a wildcard to ensure that the Mail Engine 3.0 only verifies the body text, not the HTML tags. The action mode used here is verify. Next up, we have attachment name. Here, you can specify the file name of the attachment. You can have multiple attachments. In this case, we don't need to add one. After that, we have folder. This functionality is supported by IMAP servers only. In our example, we're instructing Tosca to search the inbox folder. Save attachment to. Specify the path to a folder where you want to save the attachment. In our case, we're not receiving any attachment file, so it is left blank. Next up, we have save mail. Specify a unique name for the email that you want to save so you can easily find it, for example, if you want to reply to this email. In our case, I'm saving this mail with the name of saved mail. Finally, we have number of emails to examine. Here, you can specify a maximum number of emails to check for the above criteria. For example, if we were to enter 10, Tosca would only search the first 10 entries in the folder for the specific email. So when we run this test, the test case will pass if only one email is found matching the search and verification criteria above. If more than one email matching the criteria is found, or there is no email matching your search criteria, the test case will fail with the error more than one email found or no mail found respectively. Now let's execute the test case and see the results in the Scratchbook. As you can see, the test case has passed. In the Scratchbook, you will see that the verification is successful because Tosca found exactly one mail which matched our search criteria and the verification value was correct.